Hello, let's make pita bread. Today I'll be making homemade pita bread. Never done it before. I look at the recipe from Chef Parisi. It looks kind of okay for me. I mean, not too difficult. Let's hope I make it all right. Let's give it a try. Hello, we're going to be making some pita bread. I need water that's 115 degrees, 1.5 cups. You add that to a bowl to your mixer, just like that. To that you add 7 grams of yeast, fast acting yeast, whole 7 grams, 1 pack. And to that you add also 2 tablespoons of sugar. Actually 1 tablespoon this time. Whisk that together. It should form a foam. I know the water sounded kind of was hot, but based on the recipe, they said that should, by the time it hits the cold bowl, it should bring it to a temperature where it will start bubbling up. Oh, and it looks like it's bubbling up. I'll show you guys. Look at that. It's supposed to form a raft. I'm gonna let this lay for about 7 minutes and we'll see what happens. Alexa, set a timer for 7 minutes.
7 minutes, starting now.
Now I'm going to mix the flour mixture. I have 370 grams of flour, or 3 cups. And to that I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of whole wheat flour. I'm actually adding Garbanzo bean flour. 94 grams will be the amount. I'll put the amounts down below. Add the salt to that. 2 spoons of sea salt. And give it a whisk. Mix it up all together. And the 1 tablespoon of sugar that's left. Mix it nicely. I have a thing for turning bowls. You guys can see that. 7 minutes have passed. Look at you see the raft there? That's what you're looking for, the activation of the yeast. So we're gonna put that onto our KitchenAid attachment here, our mixer, with the hook for dough. Turn that around, lift this up. And you're gonna start slowly mixing it in. So we have the attachments. Now we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To that, I'm slowly going to start adding the flour. Maybe 1/2 cup at a time. Let that incorporate on a slower speed. Do not do this fast. And everything's getting mixed in. Continue to add the flour to the water mixture. I'm going to increase the speed a little bit. Keep adding the flour. This process where I just finished adding the flour should take about 8 to 10 minutes. I'll keep it on a high temperature. The dough should be smooth but sticky. We'll come back and see this. It's been about 10 minutes now. The dough is still a little sticky, and please watch for the runaway mixer. Mine started running away. It's my first time making this pita bread, so I didn't realize how much walking my mixer was going to do. I removed it from the hook, very nice and smooth. And according to the video I watched, you're supposed to be able to pinch it. See, I pinched it. Look, I'm pinching it. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil so it doesn't stick to this airtight container. I'm going to leave this here for about 2 hours. Just put it here and kind of do it around the bowl. Let's see. All right, let this rest for about 2 hours. And the secret is to put it into a oven with the oven light on. That it'll keep the dough rising perfect at an even temperature. So put it inside the oven with a cover on for 2 hours. 2 hours inside the oven. Now, let's get back to making pita. The dough have risen maybe twice, 3 times. It's nice and fluffy. And make it into a square. I mean a rectangle actually, sorry. Getting my shapes wrong here. Okay, maybe like so. Maybe like so. Okay, like that. Oh, it has air. Wow, okay. Oops, still. I didn't notice that before. Okay, it's my first time making it, guys, so divide the dough in half with a pastry cutter, and then we're going to cut it into, or it's actually, I should have started from the middle here, so the measurements would have been okay. Mine are going to be way too big. Look at this, like that, press it in, then put it in like that. You see how nicely? These are going to come out the best. Like that. A little bit more flour. Make it very, very thin. No creases. Make it as round as possible. Under the towel it goes. And more flour. Now I have pita here. I'll cover this up with another towel. Gotta rest for 30 minutes. Done. Start making our pita bread. Let's see, it's been in here for about 30 seconds. I'm gonna let it cook. I don't know, this is my first one, so let's see how it is. The pita was resting for about 30 minutes. Look, it's going out. Look at the bubbles. Oh my God, this is so cool. Let's see. Maybe a little bit too burnt. We'll see how the second one comes out. It may just be flatbread. No, pocket bread. Come on, perfect, perfect, perfect. Mine might be too cool. Kind of wavy, just like you guys. I want it to burn though. Well, it didn't burn this time. It's puffing. It's puffing it out. Maybe it's getting better. Yes. Maybe the temperature has to be this temperature that I have right now. This is puffing it up. I did a couple burn. This one looks like it's going the right way. I think I got the temperature correctly now. Look how it puffs. Do you guys see it? I think it might be a little too thick to like puff. It goes, puffing. I'm getting puffing. It is puffing. Come on, do it all the way. Come on, closer, 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 closer. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. You guys gotta look at the close-up of this. Look at that puffiness. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm about to cry now. It is so beautiful. I'm gonna turn this off. Now, that's a pita bread made by Carla. I'm very proud. You guys could tell. Oh, you didn't disappoint me.